Hey you guys, Beto's Backwoods Outdoors channel here, and this evening we're going to pursue freshwater catfish, channel cats or blue cats in miserable cold conditions. Okay, we're going to be fishing the Nueces River in the Cal Allen area. That's outside of Corpus Christi, Texas, and we're going to see what happens. So let's give it a shot. Here's today's bait choice: Sanderson Farms fresh chicken livers. Old reliable right here. Alright guys, so here's my setup with this. I use a small Mustad brand Demon Perfect circle hook. Sometimes I use a little bit bigger size. This is the one they had at the store. Someone had already bought the next size up. They also have some really big ones I use for live bait and for big chunks of, cut bait and stuff like that. And I'm using these little Ozark Trail egg sinkers. They're like 94 cents a pack at Walmart. Great deal, gets the job done. And I spaced those out from each other about maybe 11 to like 14 inches away of line. And we're gonna throw that out there with this chicken liver this evening. I just wanted to do this inside to give you guys a really good view of the products I use. You know guys, I always tell people when it's super miserable cold outside and you got a river nearby, those blue cats are gonna be moving, and maybe the channel catfish too. So let's see what happens. We're gonna put this whole cold front equals catfish thing to the test. He's not a monster, but he's eating size, and that'll do. Lost him. There we go. And clip. Oh, we got a fish on for Raul here. Looks like a good one. Let him run if he needs to run. Oh yeah. We got a nice one on, folks. Solid fish today. Oh. Got it? Not yet. Oh my god, dude.
Holy shit. Oh, that's a monster.
Holy shit.
Hold that up, bro.
Fuck that, dude. Look at that. That's fucking huge, dude.
Nice.
Let him run real quick. I'm going in.
Oh, wait. Baby, here. You need to hold this. I don't have tension on my line for him. Oh, I got a little guard.
Oh, nice.
Oh, he's so cute.
That is cute. Good fight on him, I bet.
Yeah, that was nice.
Wow.
That was slimy.
That's slimy.
Look at that little guy. Alright, so here's our catch for the night. Here's one of the first ones. Here's the tip of his head. Down to his tail. He's 15. Got a 15-incher right there. I don't have a scale or I'd weigh him. Not a bad catfish. Do this guy next. Tip of his head. He's 17. Nice 17-inch catfish. Channel cat, I believe. I don't want him to fall off the deck. Oh, he still got a little fight. Okay. $23.
God.
Alright?
Yep.
Hold on, he might be 20.